guys, what's up? How are you all doing? This is not a tutorial video but a big news that I wanted to reveal to my wonderful subscribers who have been following my channel Learn with Tridib since the last 6 to 7 months. Thank you all for your continuous motivation and support that has kept me motivated to bring out videos on various topics weeks after weeks, months after months. Well, the big news is that I have been invited to create content for one of the biggest learning platforms, Unacademy, for the brand new online bite-sized app platform called Graphy, where I will be creating my bite-sized content weeks after weeks along with various industry stalwarts and prominent personalities. To view my Graphy, you have to follow the link mentioned in the description section. Not only mine, you will find Graphy as a treasure that will change your online learning consumptions forever. Also, for my subscribers who really want to change their way of learning for a better future, follow the link that I have shared in the description section and use the code TRIDIB, that is my name, Tridib, to subscribe. You will get a flat 25% discount on the subscriptions. So, see you on the other side. Goodbye.